accounting for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, Eastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, Eastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, Western Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Randolph to near Beloit, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, West Bend, Muskego, Whitewater, Hartford, Pewaukee, Sussex, Elkhorn, Heartland, Delavan, Hales Corners, Lake Geneva, Mukwonago, Delafield, and Jackson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.